into electrical energy. Electrical energy goes into this flask full of water. You guys probably in the front row see that it's bubbling. And in there, remember, water is H2O, so it's made out of hydrogen and oxygen. We're going to break those bonds and put them back together and turn H2O into H2 and O2. We're going to split the water and make hydrogen and oxygen, store her energy in this balloon. So now the question is, how much of her energy did we store in the balloon? How can we find out? Blow it up! We'll blow it up, we blow it up? Alright, let's blow it up and find out. Hop off the bike. How much energy did we store? Let's find out. Let's see. Right, stay right there, we're good. Hang on.
Let's have start.
Okay.
Miss Hudson's my favorite teacher.
Now.
Math teacher.
No, she's not favorite teacher at Harvard School for all the teachers.
My second is Miss Larson.
Okay. You'll need
That's my
those.
second.
You'll need to stick the fire on it. Don't burn the professor, just the balloon. We're going to find out how much energy she stored in here. You guys ready? Quite pretty loud, particularly here in the front row. You know why? Because we're going to do it right about here. Ears, eyes, fire. You guys ready?